No Fish Nick here. It's March 26th. Just pulled the boat out of the garage for the first time this season. Cole and I are messing around with the drone, taking a little footage, and going to go to the Wisconsin River in Plover, Wisconsin, close to my house, and see if we can catch a couple walleyes.
Good job. At 9 feet deep, and it's marking here and there. Okay. That didn't take long.
Is that legal?
I don't think he's legal, but feels good to catch a walleye on a long rod. Roy Boy's favorite color jig.
Minnow?
Yeah, that was on a jigging minnow. Alright. I could need a new bump stick.
You got my new bump stick.
13 chartreuse, there's a legal walleye. Yep. On the chartreuse. Cool. Walleye for dinner. Nice one. Look at that. Found her. All day. 15 and a quarter. Alright, another nice one. On a live bait. Ready? Here we go. Oh, got off.
What are you doing?
Need a net.
You reeled way up to him.
Well, I was going to hoist him in.
Yeah, but you reeled up to him.
Anyway. There we go. I'm going to hoist him.
You might go.
Might go. I don't think so though. But that's cool. Never fished this spot before and just caught a fish. On the minnow. Might be 15. I doubt it though. 14. Yes. Nice one.
There's 3 right there, Uncle.
Alright.
I'm mad.
Oh yeah. This is a female.
That's a good one.
So scores. Might go. I'm gonna say 14. But still, you got one. Good job, buddy.
Yeah,
he's gonna, yeah, he's gonna catch up quick. But I don't think that one's gonna go in the box. Cool. Nice job, buddy. No, small one. 16 feet of water. Nobody around. I like that. This one feels good. No, he lied to me. They're fighting hard, yeah. Felt big. Little scrapper. Oh, getting her done. Yep. There's one on the rattler. Probably 14 incher. You don't need no stinking minnows. And you got rattlers and worms, rubber worms, plastic worms. That's too short. Good job. Just got its first legal at day. Nice legals. Sweet.